Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and
hello my beauties. It's been a very long time since I actually filmed, okay, and it's been almost 1 month. I've not even had makeup on my face. It's not because I don't want to have makeup on my face, because things are happening, okay, and people are just dying. People are dying of a disease they know nothing about. They are dying of something they've not done, and I just don't think it's best for them, okay. If you are still alive, then you need to give God all the praise, because he has been such a wonderful God. He has kept most of us through these difficult times in so many ways, okay. Everybody is affected. The government is affected, the rich is affected, the poor is affected, the homeless is affected. Today's is not going to be a tutorial, but I just want to encourage you guys that all of this will pass. All of this will pass. So we just have to keep praying. If that is what you're doing, keep safe, stay at home. I just want to tell you how I'm keeping myself safe and how I'm keeping myself company in a room. As some of you may know, in Ghana, some places has been locked down, some places are being quarantined, and not all the country. Some places are being quarantined. As we speak, my area is affected by the lockdown, so I've been in the room for a couple of weeks now. So this is going to be like a chit chat kind of makeup, okay. So I'm just going to do a simple makeup. The first thing I'm going to do is to prime my face, which is very essential in this era of COVID-19. It's not been easy at all, okay. It's just not been easy. Now my face is primed, and the first thing I'm going to do is to do my eyebrows. I'm using this brow pencil from Rose Cosmetics. It's one of the brow pencils that has been trending in Ghana here for some time now. It's called Brow Henny. Brow Henny. It's 2-in-1 in a pack like this, and it's 2-in-1. This one has the one that you can sharpen, the pencil side you can sharpen, and the brush side. And this one too has the spoolie side, which I love so much, and the part where you screw, pull it out like that. So I'm going to use this first because I like pencils more than the other ones. So first of all, I'm going to brush my brows. I hope that you're not keeping yourself sad in a room thinking that what is going to happen after this COVID-19. Everything is going to go back to normal, you know, and I believe things will come back to normal. Now I just switched to the other brow pencil. The other one is a bit more softer than I expected, and I don't know. To conceal, I'm using my Miss Loretta in the shade L05. It's almost gone, guys. You can see this is almost gone. As I was saying, this COVID-19 has been a very threatening to a lot of people in the country, in the whole world, and all over the continent, and people losing their lives, people losing their loved ones, and all that. There are a whole lot of rules that have been set up for us to follow, and as we are doing that, you just have to make sure that you're doing other things, okay. So I want to talk about some few things with you guys, okay. This is not that bad. I think I'm loving this. What do you think? Okay, so I'm just going to do the other one off camera, and I'll be right back. The next thing we are going to do is to what do we do? Apply concealer, foundation. Oh, I love this brow. Okay, so we are doing foundation first, and for the foundation I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Cappuccino 340. As I said earlier, this makeup is just going to be a simple one because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just staying home to keep myself safe, so that when everything comes to an end, we will be able to do more videos for you guys. Okay, so I just want to tell you a couple of few things that you can do even as you're staying home. You don't have to let the whole weeks or the months that you will spend in the house go waste without improving on yourself as a makeup artist, as a businesswoman, as anything that you're doing. You just have to do something to keep yourself busy, without thinking about a whole lot of things. Okay, so I'm just blending with my beauty sponge. This is from Rose Cosmetics as well. Okay, so I'm just blending everything all over my face. So as I was saying, there are a couple of things that you can do to keep yourself busy even as you are in the house. The next thing I'm going to do is to conceal and contour, and I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro-conceal in the shade Toffee. The shade I'm using is Toffee, and I'll add a little bit of Fawn, which is almost gone, to it.
Sick of all these lies, don't care if I capsize.
After this whole lockdown thing, you'll come out better than you used to be. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is that take an online course. Okay, because in this time you have all the 24 hours to yourself. If not, you're working for your company, and then maybe your company is you're supposed to work from home, because most of us are working from home. In that case, you don't have for the 24 hours to yourself. But the truth is that you have a lot of hours to yourself, so you can take an online course to improve in the areas of your career. If it is what do you call it? If it is an IT where you do IT stuffs, it's an opportunity for you to take online course to improve on yourself, and you'll be surprised. Like, one good thing is that it will keep you company, because you know that your day is always busy. You are always busy. You're not just sleeping and waking up and eating and all that kind of stuff. The second one is you can join groups online. Join WhatsApp groups, Facebook, Twitter. There are a whole lot of groups out there, a whole lot of apps that you can download onto your phone and join groups, join classes, join people doing online programs. Okay, some groups are very, very funny. They talk about everything and anything, you know. So just be active in the group and say whatever they say. Talk about the things they are talking about, and then have fun. Next, I'm going to set my entire face, and I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. This is in the shade True Bronze, and I'm using my Angie Cosmetics powder brush to set my entire face. So as I said, join WhatsApp groups, join groups, participate in everything they are doing on the page, and you will not regret it. You will be happy. You'll be lying on your bed laughing out loud, and you will feel so released of stress and sleeping, because I personally feel sick and tired when I sleep a lot. So I don't like sleeping a lot. I try to engage myself. I try to play online games. I try to learn something. And then one thing is that eat a lot. Okay, this is an opportunity for you to stay home, prepare yourself nice food, which I am very good at that. I'm even thinking about making a channel for that, you know, on that. Eat good food, prepare food by yourself. This is the time you don't go out to buy food, so this is the time for you to prepare yourself, very nice protein food, balanced diet for yourself every morning, and then you try to have enough sleep. It helps a lot. Sleeping enough helps your skin, helps your thinking, helps your activity, makes your activity, your day go very well. Laughing is a very good remedy. You know, did you know that? Did you know that? Yes, you didn't know. Okay, so laugh a lot. Laugh a lot. Be happy. Watch movies. Just have fun. But the most important thing is come out a better person than you used to be. Don't come out the same person with just the old stuffs and nothing improving. You know what I mean. Okay. Now to contour, I'm using my Pro Face, L.A.Girl Pro Face. This is in the shade Cocoa. Okay, so that is, and I'm using my contour brush from Angie Cosmetics. Just gonna tap, pick the product, tap it off, and then just drawing a little bit of contour here. It's not going to be something very dramatic, okay? And having said all that, guys, I just want to tell you something, that all of this that we are going through will pass away, because the word of God says that everything shall pass away except the word of God. So this is the time, guys, you need to go back to where you went wrong. You need to go back to God and seek his face. I'm just going to apply some of the contour powder on my nose, a little bit like that, just to keep it slimmer. Should we do eyeshadows? I don't know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is apply some tiny eyeshadows, and for I'm using my Endless Possibilities palette, and I'm going to pick the brown shade in it and just apply just some brown shade. And so guys, I'm just applying my brown shade in the palette on the outer corner. So I said this is just a very chit chat kind of makeup. Okay, so, and it's going to rain and it's windy right now, very windy, like. And I'm going to pick the Hottie Poppy Peach on it, this guy right here. I'm using the same brush. And to finish the look, the eyeshadow, I'm applying Legend. It's some kind of an orangey shade on this palette, and I'm using my flat fluffy brush. It's not very shimmery. You might not even see anything, but it's cool, you know. For mascara, I'm using my L.A.Girl Volumatric mascara. So guys, we're almost done with the makeup. I've applied a little bit of highlights. For blush, I'm using my Dio makeup Dio.
I prayed for my downfall.
I think this is the final look, guys, and I think that it's been wonderful talking with you guys. This is one of the things I do to keep myself happy, to keep myself company, and to make sure that I'm keeping safe, as I said earlier. So keep safe, drink a lot of water, wash your hands regularly, eat a lot, sleep a lot, work, take online courses, have fun with yourself. And then last and for all, I just want to give my condolences to those of you who have lost some people. Accept my condolences, and also those who has been affected please do all the necessary, apply all the necessary precautions, the doctor's medications and all that to keep yourself safe, okay? And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, don't forget to be your own beautician. Bye.